Hello everyone, happy to be with you. Welcome to this class. I'm Merlin Milenia Carillas Alvarado. Even I'm an English student from PP2 of the UPM FM Kurnak Nakaome Valle. In this case, I'm going to be your teacher, so let's start the class. The topic that I have for you today is the family members. What do you know about the family members? If you don't know, please stay with me. The subcompetency for our class is identify family members through pictures. What is a family? It's a group of people related by blood. Family provides love, support, and a framework of values. Let me tell you that for you, the family must be the most important group of your life because they provide us love, even support in everything. If you need, they are going to be for us in every moment of our life. In my case, I love my family because they love me. And that's what we need to do every day. Every day you must be a good person with each family member because you need to give them love because they love you. That's what you need to do. Okay, remember, what is a family? It's a group of people related by blood, guys. And they provide us love, support, framework of values. They are helping us. How many members there are in your family? It's a question for you. There are 7 or 8? 7. Okay. Repeat with me, please. There are 7 members in my family. Okay? There are 7 members in my family. Let me tell you, in my family there are 9 members. There are 9 members. Okay? Let's continue. But now, let's learn about the family members. If you can see here the picture, here we have the family members. And let's learn about them. Grandparents. Repeat with me, please. Grandparents. Grandparents. Again. Grandparents. Grandparents. Excellent. Grandfather. 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 Grandmother. Grandmother. Both together, grandfather and grandmother, they are grandparents. Grandparents. Who is he? Grandfather. Grandfather. And who is she? Grandmother. Grandmother. And both together are grandparents. Who are they? Who are they? Grandparents. Grandparents. Excellent. Repeat with me. Parents. Parents. Father. Repeat, please. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Both together, they are parents. Parents. Who is he? Father. Father. And who is she? Mother. Mother. Remember, both together, they are parents. Who are they? Parents. Parents. They are supporting us in everything. your father and your mother must be the most important people for you in your life, and you need to value them. Brother, brother. Repeat with me, please. Brother, brother. Sister. Let's repeat, please. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Who is he? Who is he, guys? Brother. Okay? Brother, brother. And who is she? Sister, sister. Brother and sister. How many sisters do you have? More than one? In my case, I have a beautiful sister, and she is a good sister for me. I have one sister and one brother. What about you? How many brothers do you have? One brother. Okay, one brother. And sisters? Two. Okay, two sisters. Repeat the last time. Brother, sister. Me. Me. Even you are a family member. Don't forget it. Me. I'm a family member. You are family member too. Okay? Me. In this case, me. I'm talking about me. And I'm talking about you. Repeat with me, please. Me. Me. I'm a family member too. Me. Me. Uncle. 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 Who is he? Uncle. Uncle. Do you have uncles in your family? Two? Two uncles. Two uncles. In my family, I have 5 uncles. 5. And. What about aunts? Do you have aunts in your family? Yes? Okay, excellent. Let's repeat with me the last time. And. Uncle. Uncle. Both together, they are the members of the family. Okay? That we need to love. Here we have cousin. Cousin. Repeat with me, please. Cousin. Who is she or he? Cousin. Excellent. Cousin. Do you have cousin in your family? Yes? Okay. Me too. I have many cousins in my family. Cousin. Cousin. Excellent. We already know, guys. We already know about the family members. Okay? Now, let's write some sentences using family members. Could you help me please with the first one? My mother, tell me, is Carla. Great job. Okay. My mother is Carla. We are using mother. The second one. Help me with the second one. Oh, okay. My sister is Anna. Excellent. Oh, he is my brother. He is my brother. The number 4. Oh, I have a cousin. Okay. You have a cousin. The last one. Help me, please. Oh, I love my grandmother. Okay, you love your grandmother. Let's read the sentences together, please. My mother is Carla. My sister is Anna. He is my brother. I have a cousin. I love my grandmother. Let's do the next activity together. We need to match the word with the correct picture. Who is he? Who is he? Grandfather. Okay, his grandfather. Excellent. Here we have grandfather. Who is he? Brother. No. Cousin. No, right? His father. His father. What about here? Who is he? Who is he? Brother. Brother. And who is she? Aunt. And the last one, who is he or she? Cousin. Cousin. Okay, that was everything for today. Let's repeat the members, okay, of the family. Parents, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, both together are parents. Brother, me, sister, uncle, and cousin. Bye.